Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hacking Raspberry Pi 0 to Hero series. Alright guys, so we have covered ton loads of sensors, right? From ultrasonic to PIR to light sensors and stuff like that. Now I'm going to show you temperature and humidity sensor, which is very widely used in IoT, especially on weather forecasting and capturing the temperature and the humidity data from any of the agriculture field and stuff like that. There are many other use cases in the industry you can think about it. So I'm going to show you a simple solution how to hook up your sensor to the Raspberry Pi using the expansion board and read the information, read the data. When I say data, that is humidity and temperature data collected from the sensor around this room where I am sitting, right? So the temperature and the humidity will be captured, and it's going to be displayed not just on your MicroPython IDE but also on the LCD display, a small portable LCD display. So let's take a quick look at the circuit, how to fix it. So this is the temperature humidity sensor, that is Dht11 sensor, which is commonly used and available in the market, which is about 4 pins. All the 4 pins individually you can either connect it into the 4 pins of D5 port, or you can go ahead and pick up this kind of ready-made wires which is available with the socket, right? And then I had connected the display, LCD display in your one of the I2C port. There are 3 I2C ports, so you can connect to any of the I2C ports here. So this is a pretty very good sensor, guys. We can use it for multiple projects in any of the industry application, either in IoT or robotics. You just imagine, we can do ton loads of AI projects as well by collecting the temperature and humidity data. So anyway, so let's go to the VNC. I'm taking remote access of my Raspberry Pi. This is my Raspberry Pi desktop, and I'm going to open up the Thani IDE. Alright, so this is the project, temperature humidity. So it's a few lines of code, just about 28 lines of code, where I'm going to read the temperature and humidity into the IDE and publish that into the LCD as well, right? So that it's as simple as that. And the library used is Dht11 JD 1802 library, which is available within the Grow, and you can also look for the library information which is there in my GitHub. You can download directly and install it. It's pretty easy, straightforward. If you don't know how to install the library, do reach out to me. I will help you how to do that. So I'm going to run this code, and as soon as I run this code, we can see the temperature and the humidity information at the shell command bottom screen. So let me make this screen a little bigger, and I am going to run the code. Let's cross our fingers. Fantastic, there you go. It's so quick in detecting the temperature, 28 degree, humidity 74, humidity 72. Let me see if it is printing on the LCD. Yes, it's perfectly printing on my LCD as well. So let me move to the circuit. You can check here, the sensor is activated, and you can see the information is being printed. Temperature 29 degree, humidity 72%. And wow, okay, with the light it's not clear. Maybe I'll just bring it close to the camera. I hope you guys can read it. You can see, I'll just tilt it like this. The light above me is too bright, so probably you're not able to see the display, but anyways, so this is what I can see here. In case you want to see it more clearly, you can directly look at the IDE itself. The temperature and humidity data is published here. Cool. It's non-stop. It keeps printing, and as and when there is a change in the humidity and temperature in your room or any other environment, either in the agriculture field or your factory or office or anywhere, it will keep changing here. It will show the exact humidity and temperature data. So let me just stop it, and it stops. Let me run again. There you go. At the bottom it starts running again. It's printing. Perfect. Let me stop this. All right, guys. So this is a pretty simple, cool, and sleek project. You can build your own applications. Imagine. I just want to, want you to think and come back to me with your ideas, and we can work together on multiple projects. I will see you soon in the next lesson. Goodbye.